Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, the Flower Bank World. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called producing the state of awesome power, bounded by ornaments of diamonds that produce all sounds, resting on a sea of spheres of lotus thrones of the colors of various jewels, shaped like Indra's net, covered by clouds of flower webs of boundless colors, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 8 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called renowned banner of the ocean of knowledge. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called producing wondrous sounds, bounded by spherical arrays of mind jewels, resting on a sea of diamonds in cloud-like arrays, constantly producing all wonderful sounds, shaped like the body of a celestial king of the Brahma heaven, covered by clouds of lion thrones, adorned with countless jewels, surrounded by as many worlds as there are atoms in 9 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called invincible radiance like pure moonlight. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called diamond banner, bounded by garlands of gems from pearl treasuries of boundless adornments, resting on a crystal sea of jewel lion thrones with all adornments, spherical in shape, covered by mountainous clouds of jewel flowers of all fragrances, as numerous as atoms in 10 gigantic mountains, and surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 10 Buddha fields, all uniformly pure. The Buddha is called Supreme King of the Ocean of All Truths. Above this, past worlds as many as atoms in a Buddha field, there is a world called constantly producing sapphire light, bounded by arrays of indestructible diamonds, resting on a sea of various different flowers, shaped like the half-moon, covered by clouds of drapes of celestial jewels, surrounded by worlds as many as atoms in 11 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called boundless virtues. Above this, past worlds as many as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called light shining, bounded by arrays of radiant lights, resting on a sea of perfume of flower swirls, shaped like a wreath, covered by clouds of various garments.